this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this double slider snowman card with the Snowman Magic Bundle. Here's my snowman double slider card. You just pull the tab and you get two fun little messages that slide out. I'm going to show you how I put this card together. I started by using a piece of shimmery white, and I'm going to do some watercoloring. And this is something that I really love to do in creating backgrounds. I like to use definitely blues and purples, so Balmy Blue and Highland Heather. And then I like to use this big wide brush. The water painters come in wide, small, and large. And I'm just gonna squeeze out some water on here. And yes, it already has a purple tint. That's fine because we're gonna be using the purple. And I'm gonna get this whole piece of paper like pretty wet because I want the ink to just like move around in the water. So I'm really getting this wet. So now I'm gonna grab some of the Highland Heather ink, and I'm just gonna make these little circle blobs. And then I'm gonna add more water and let the blobs kind of do their thing. And hopefully spread and blend. And I'm squeezing as I am adding color. Always adding more water. All right, so now I'm gonna grab some of the Balmy Blue. And again, squeezing while I add the color so that it's like really watery. And then see how it spreads? That's my favorite. I love watching it, the color spread. I think that's so cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and just kind of add some more water and fill some things in. So I don't want it to be completely dry because now I'm going to emboss it with the Whimsical Woodland embossing folder. And so I'm just gonna place this in right about here. And this is super fun with all these trees. And then I'm gonna use the embossing machine with plate number 1 and plate number 4 because this is one of the 3D thick embossing folders. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful with the shimmery white paper? I hope you can see this shimmer. All right, so now we are going to let this dry a little bit more, and then we'll layer it on some Highland Heather. And for our card base, we have Balmy Blue, but we're gonna turn it upside down because we're gonna create a pocket for the different sliders to go through. So in order to do the sliders, I need to cut 2 slots right there. And the best way to do it is, I like to use the harvest dies because it has this really nice long slot or label die, and it is perfect for creating this slider card. So I'm just gonna cut 2 of these out. So here's the first one. And then I'm going to use the cutout one as a guide. I'm gonna put it right next to the cut out slot And then I'm going to use that to measure where I should put the next one so that it's parallel, because you really want it to be parallel. Okay, we have our 2 slots. They are kind of slanted over to this side, but it's not a big deal at all because it's all going to be covered. So I'm going to show you the 2 slider pieces here. So this Highland Heather piece is 3.5 wide by 5 tall. And this basic white piece is 1/8 of an inch smaller. So this is 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. And then the smaller piece here is 2.5 wide by 3.5 tall. And the basic white is also 1/8 smaller. So it's 2 3/8 by 3 3/8. So we're going to stamp a couple of fun little things inside. So we have sending wishes for a cool Christmas and filled with warm and wonderful memories. So I'm just going to stamp this at the top here. And I just want to add a couple of stars. So I'm going to do some stars here. And I'm just going to use some Post-it note tape so I can go off here. All right, now I'm going to adhere the basic white onto my Highland Heather layer. All right, now I'm going to line this up inside. So I'm going to center this and I'm going to place it about right here. And then I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to place this about right there. And I think I want a little bit more room. So I think I'm going to place this down here. So you're going to use some dimensionals in the tracks. So just place them down here. And then we're going to place this one down here. And then we'll test that out. Very nice. And then we can close this up inside with tear and tape. And then just make sure that this piece is not in the way. And you can seal this up. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little piece onto here so it'll make it easier to pull out. So I've just used the layering circles dies and I'm just gonna put that right in the middle there. Not so much in the middle, huh? I'm just going to use a handheld punch to punch a little hole so that I can use some of the white glittery organdy ribbon. And we'll just tie a little knot. Okay, and so now we just need to add the front. All right, so this is going to go on top, but I'm gonna add some of the snowy white velvet paper first, all the way across for our little bit of scenery here. And then this is going to get popped up on dimensionals so that there is room for the inside slider piece to move. And so I'll just put some at the top here. And some on the bottom on the card base, so I can line everything up very nicely. And so that covers our front slider card, and there we go. There's our sliding mechanism. So now we just need to add some fun little elements to the front. I have a snowman cut out of the shimmery white paper, and I've already cut out the hat, but I need to cut out the scarf and the arms. And then I've cut out some of the trees to put on. So I'm gonna start by stamping the hat and scarf. Just gonna stamp the snowman's face in balmy blue. Okay, now we'll just add some dimensionals. And that is our double slider card. So I'm offering a free card class when you place a $50 order. It includes this slider card, It includes this slider card or pull tab card and this fun shaker card. So just use my current host code and email me and let me know that you would like the Snowman card kit, and I would love to send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial using the Snowman Magic Bundle. Remember that the dies are on sale for $19.20 US, and they could sell out at any time, so make sure you get yours before they're gone. If you enjoyed watching this video, I would love if you would like and comment on the video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.